Just a quick video description of the Rail King by MTH Amtrak 399 engine and 4 cars that I have posted on my eBay store. This video is to protect you as the buyer and to protect me as the seller. This video is to give you true transparency on the lot that you are thinking about making a bid on. First and foremost, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking a look at my store. I definitely do appreciate it. I did take this Amtrak number 399 to my local hobby store to get tested. Unfortunately, he put a new battery in it, put it on a test track, which is not an MTH test track, but he could not get it to run correctly. He says that the unit needs to be put on an MTH track or train set in order for it to be reset. But because he did not have one out on his sales floor, he could not do that for me, unfortunately. He was sold out of that particular track, or else he would have done it for me. He would have opened up one and reset it. Now, again, this is the information I was given by the hobby store. He did say that he put all 4 of the cars on the track and they lit up the way they should. He left the old battery out because he did not want corrosion to set in. This train does not, the engine does not have a new battery in it. He did not charge me for the new battery because he could not get it to run correctly. You do see that the manual is included, and I will give you a better look at the engine itself. This side, you do have a couple of flaws there. I'll show you the bottom. So that's the engine. Again, the 4 cars, he did say, lit up the way they should when he put them on his test track. Some flaws on the top there. There. Flaws there. Then you got 2 coach cars here. Let me give you both of these at the same time. A flaw there looks like it's on there. 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 Something there. Something there. Little flaw. But overall, not a bad looking set. Some flaws on the paint. Looks like from use or from play. Again, unfortunately, could not get this to run correctly. From what the professional is telling me, that it needs to be reset on an MTH track or track set. And unfortunately, he did not have one. It will require either for this battery to be placed back in, or for a new battery as well. Again, this is being sold as is. That's why the video is so long. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.